Hi friends, welcome to Nature with Nesh. If you're new to channel, please subscribe my channel. Sri Ramnatha Swami Temple, Rameshwaram. Millions of people around the world flock to Rameshwaram every year to visit the sacred Sri Ramnatha Swami Temple. It is regarded as the most sacred and is also the most visited pilgrim center in all over South India. It houses the southernmost Jyotirling, which is among the 12 most holy Shiva Jyotirlingas in India. There are 64 Shivlingas in India. However, these 12 Jyotirlingas are considered the most holy of all and believed to be the actual representation of Lord Shiva himself. As per Hinduism, visiting all these Jyotirlingas liberates one from his sufferings and the chain of birth and death, ultimately leading to salvation. The main deity of the temple is Ramnatha Swami, Shiva. The legend behind the Ramnatha Swami temple is linked to the most famous Indian epic Ramayana, in which Lord Rama kills the Asur king Ravana, who ruled the kingdom of Lanka, which is now Sri Lanka. After winning the epic battle at Lanka, Lord Rama, while returning to his kingdom at Ayodhya, wanted to worship Lord Shiva to liberate from his karma as he killed a Brahman during war. He asks Hanuman to bring the image of Vishwanathar, the Kashi Lingam from Kashi. As Hanuman delayed in his quest, goddess Sita, consort of Lord Rama, made a Shivlinga using sand by her own bare hands, and he did the puja, worship, using it. This Shivlinga is the Ramnatha Swami Lingam or Rama Lingam worshipped at Rameshwaram temple. There is another Shivlinga, the Kashi Lingam, brought by Lord Hanuman, known as the Vishwalingam. As per Lord Rama's instructions, the Vishwalingam is to be worshipped prior to the Ramnatha Swami Lingam. This is still practiced in the temple. Inside the temple there is also a shrine to Setu Madhava and Lakshmi Devi, goddess. Goddess Vishalakshi, Parvati, shrine is found adjacent to Lord Ramnatha Swami shrine. Rameshwaram is named among the Char Dham, the 4 divine sites in India, along with Puri, Badrinath, and Dwarka. Speaking about its architecture, it is yet another entry into the architectural marvels of Tamil Nadu temples. It is famous for its 4,000-pillared corridor, which is believed to be the longest of its kind in the whole world. There are 64 holy temple tanks inside the temple and also around the Rameshwaram island. It is considered as a ritual to bath in these tirthas before entering the temple. 22 of these holy tanks are within the temple premises of Sri Ramnatha Swami Temple. Temple timings. The temple is open from 5 am to 1 pm and evening 3 pm to 9 pm. Puja time. Palliyarai Deepa Aradhana 5 am, Spadigalinga Deepa Aradhana 5:10 am, Tiruvanandal Deepa Aradhana 5:45 am. Villa Puja 7 am, Kalasanti Puja 10 am, Uchikala Puja 12:00 noon. Sayarat Char Puja 6 pm, Artajama Puja 8:30 pm, Palliyari Puja 8:45 pm. Major festivals. Mahashivratri during February-March months is the most celebrated festival at Rameshwaram temple. It lasts 10 days and the temple is filled with millions of Shiva devotees all these days. Tirukkalyanam, or the Divine Marriage, July-August, is another most auspicious occasion when devotees celebrate as day when Lord Ramnatha Swami, Shiva, married goddess Vishalakshi, Parvati. Navratri festival, September-October, and the Vasantolsavang, May-June, are other major festivals celebrated at Sri Ramnatha Swami Temple, Rameshwaram. How to reach? By air. Madura International Airport is the nearest airport to Rameshwaram, approximately 150 kilometers away. After getting down at Madurai Airport, you may grab a taxi to Rameshwaram or board in the Tamil Nadu government bus if you prefer public transport. By rail. There are frequent trains available from all the major cities to Rameshwaram. The temple is within a walkable distance from the railway station. By road. There are frequent bus services to Rameshwaram available from all the major cities. A 3 kilometers walk from the station will take you to the Ramnatha Swami temple or catch an auto rickshaw. Thank you for watching. If you still not subscribed, please do so you can get more videos on my channel. Please press bell icon to get notification.